It is anticipated that the 2025 GMC Sierra will usher in the next iteration of full-size pickup trucks. Notably, the next generation of vehicles will feature new powertrains. General Motors President Mark Roos discussed the company's efforts to improve fuel economy and reduce greenhouse gas emissions with the forthcoming next-generation pickups. In addition to updated powertrain options, the 2025 GMC Sierra will feature altogether new exterior and interior designs and a brand new platform. The next-generation GMC Sierra will not utilize the same platform as the GMC Hummer EV SUV and Hummer EV pickup, which ride on the Ultium platform and employ GM's Ultium battery technology and Ultium drive technology. The Sierra is offered with 4 distinct engines, 2 transmission options, and either rear or all-wheel drive. The standard engine is a turbocharged 2.7-liter 4-cylinder with 310 horsepower and 420 lb-ft of torque. It couples with an 8-speed automatic transmission. There are 2 V8 engine options, a 5.3-liter with 355 horsepower and a 6.2-liter with 420 power. Due to the growing popularity of the GMC Sierra HD pickup truck, the company has decided to introduce the next-generation GMC Sierra HD for the 2025 model year. The company has also announced that it will refresh it compared to the previous model. As a result, we can expect the next generation of trucks to receive new powertrains. Additionally, the new 2025 Sierra could feature completely new designs for the exterior and interior, and it will ride on an all-new platform. The official release date for the 2025 GMC Sierra has not been announced by the company. There is no information about when it will be available for ordering or at the dealership. It is likely that it could be released towards the end of 2024 for the 2025 model year.